In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically connect items in Monday.com. This process is straightforward and should take around 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. To start, the first thing you want to do is head over to Monday.com. Once there, you'll see the login option. Click on Login, and if you use Google to manage your accounts, you can select the Google Login option. This will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use to access Monday.com, making it easy to get started without needing to remember any additional passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your desired board. This area is essentially your workspace within Monday.com, where you'll manage different projects or tasks. Upon entering your board, you'll notice a table layout that forms the core of your workspace. Here is where we'll be making changes to streamline your workflow. Look for the plus icon located within your table. This icon is crucial as it allows you to add new columns to your board. When you click it, you'll be presented with several column options. For our purposes, you'll want to specifically look for and click on Connect Boards. This feature is a powerful tool in Monday.com that enables seamless communication between different boards, a handy feature for project managers overseeing multiple project areas. Once you've selected Connect Boards, the next step involves choosing the specific boards you wish to interlink. Click on the option that says Select Boards, and this will show you a list of existing boards you can connect with. Take a moment to find the board you'd like to connect to, ensuring it aligns with your project's needs. With your choice made, click on Create a Two-Way Connection. This action is important as it establishes a comprehensive link between your selected boards. A two-way connection allows for real-time updates. Any changes in one board will automatically reflect on the connected one. This eliminates the need for manual updates across multiple boards, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Finally, you'll want to confirm your choices by clicking on Connect Boards one more time. This step solidifies the connection you've just set up, ensuring that the boards are linked effectively and ready to enhance your workflow. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to connect items in Monday.com, boosting your productivity and optimally managing your projects across different boards. Hopefully, this straightforward process empowers you to use Monday.com more efficiently, linking different aspects of your projects for better project management and a smoother workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.